Welcome to the in front of me TCL NxtPaper 10s, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and now here in the search pool we should enter Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why I tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. And after that, tap here to open the application. Now click here yes I agree, be close. Here tap to OK, and we can see the information with the temperature of our device battery. In my case that's 28 and 29 and 8. And also here we can find more information about our device, like battery, like the level, health, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.